When it comes to protecting your brand sales on Amazon and protecting your consumers, so that when your consumer buys one of your branded products, they are getting the high quality that you promised to deliver, here's a list of some of the things that we know works on Amazon that Amazon considers enough to take your sales outside the first sale doctrine. So, temperature and humidity controls for the storage of products. This is vital when it comes to things like cosmetics or anything that could dry out or become too moist if it's not stored in the proper fashion. Number 2, batch checks to ensure products are not expired. Amazon has a tremendous problem with third-party sellers selling products to Amazon's consumers where either they're already expired or the expiration date is coming up fast. So if your company, if your brand builds into your business mechanism that you regularly do batch checks and it's part of your warranty, that is something that works and persuades Amazon that your products are outside the first sale doctrine and therefore other sellers cannot deliver the same experience to your consumers. Customer service training. Many products are the type of product where your consumer is going to reach out to the company. Often if it's an electronic device, something requires training, the use of a particular tool, and a host of other types of products, where if you promise to deliver your consumers customer service training, post-sale training, that is also something that works very well on Amazon to persuade Amazon that the other sellers are not delivering to your consumers the same product and benefits that you can deliver to your consumers. These are just a few of the ways that we have found that protects your sales and your consumers on Amazon.